This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a sunroof, huge 22-inch wheels, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, a power passenger seat, and this vehicle has less than 68,000 miles. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.